In this video, we're going to show you how you can get GTA 6 on your Xbox. If you're excited for GTA 6, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel. And there's going to be so many tutorials we drop on GTA 6 when it is officially out. But yes, that's right. GTA 6 is now officially on Xbox. Currently, I'm using the Xbox app on my PC since my brother is on my Xbox. But essentially, here's how you can download GTA 6 on Xbox. Now, this is a feature that PlayStation users had access to back since, I believe it was May when this feature was added back in. But what you're going to want to do is on your Xbox, go to the Microsoft Store. And up at the very top where there's this search games section, simply go ahead and search Grand Theft Auto 6 and then hit enter. Now, since I'm not on the actual Xbox app right now, it's not going to pop up for me, but you'll see GTA 6 appear and you'll have the option to add it to your wish list. But it really is as simple as that. GTA 6 is now wishlisted on your Xbox account, meaning you're going to get notified the moment that pre-orders go live for GTA 6. Even better, you can actually scroll down on the page to view a bunch of exclusive information, including screenshots and the latest trailer, which is pretty awesome. Now that it is available on both PlayStation and Xbox, we could definitely expect the official pricing and more details to drop very soon. And if you want an update as soon as we get it, make sure you're subscribing to the channel with all notifications on, and we got you. But yeah, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comments below, and I'll see each and every one of you guys in the next video. Peace.